Yes, y'all. This is my collection, and I transformed some Transformers. I rearranged some. I got new Vortex over here. Gonna transform that, play with that, pose that in a little bit. With Siege Jetfire. I transformed Trypticon into base mode. This Tiger enjoying the sunny day. Hi, Tiger, Tiger. Then there's the Masterpiece, Transformers, Fans Choice, Omega Supreme, Terminus Giganticus all transformed up. My Blast Off, Unique Toys. Fans Choice Phoenix, now I have two. Mint Jetfire right there. Now I have two. Tiger. KO Masterpiece. I still to this day cannot afford Masterpiece. Only Fans Toys. And KO Masterpiece. I still don't have MP10. Just I have the Wei Jiang oversized MP10. Look at that. Vortex was this little thing. Now it's Masterpiece. Now it's so awesome and big. Yes, y'all. Set you go to playing with my toys, playing with my Transformers. Yes, y'all. Tiger. Tiger's very nice. Coffee time, Tyson. Coffee time. Yes, y'all. G.I. Joe. Look at that's you. That's the camera. That shows what you. That's what shows us. Coffee time. Coffee time.